औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे तलबा अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बच्चों, आज मैं आपके सामने टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस लेकर आया हूँ जो हमने टॉपिक कंप्लीट किया, लॉ एंड सोशल जस्टिस। वही क्वेश्चन आज हम हल करने जा रहे हैं। पहला जो इसका क्वेश्चन है वो है, टॉक टू two workers, for example, construction workers, farm workers, factory workers at any shop, to find out if they are receiving the minimum wages laid down by law. इसका जवाब है no doubt. Minimum Wages Act is passed almost in every state. In Haryana, Minimum Wages Act is also passed. We have talked with 4-5 workers, but nobody is getting minimum wages fixed by the government. दूसरा जो क्वेश्चन है वो है, what are the advantages to foreign companies in setting up production in India? इसका जवाब है, during the last 40 years, many foreign companies have established their factories in India in the age of globalization and liberalization. Multinational companies are coming to India rapidly. Following are the advantages to foreign companies in setting up production in India. Number one, the main advantage to foreign companies in India is cheap labor. Wages of workers in USA and in other foreign countries are very high in comparison to India. In India, for lower pays, companies get more working hours. Number two, another advantage to foreign companies is less investment in land, machinery, etc. Moreover, lower working conditions, including less safety measures, are responsible for government cutting. Less cost means more profit, and that is why foreign companies are coming to India. तीसरा क्वेश्चन, do you think the victims of the Bhopal gas tragedy got justice? Discuss. इसका जवाब है, the world's worst industrial tragedy took place in Bhopal 30 years ago. American company Union Carbide had a factory in Bhopal, MP, which produced pesticides. On 2nd December 1984, at midnight, a highly poisonous gas started leaking from the UC plant. More than 8,000 people died within 3 days, and about 50,000 poor working class families were badly affected. Even now, these people are not fit for working. Thousands of children became abnormal. This tragedy was not due to accident, rather it was due to lack of essential safety measures in the factory. But the company Yoshi refused to take responsibility. The government represented the victims in a civil case and demanded 3 billion as compensation in 1985, but accepted 470 million in 1989. Survivors went to the Supreme Court, but Supreme Court decided that the settlement amount would stand In fact, it was a great injustice to the victims. Victims got very poor compensation. चौथा क्वेश्चन है, what do we mean when we speak of law enforcement? Who is responsible for enforcement? Why is enforcement so important? इसका जवाब है, there are three organs of government, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. Law making is the main function of legislature, but merely law making is not sufficient. Enforcement of laws are equally important without implementation. Law has no value. Enforcement of laws are equally important without implementation. Law has no value. Law is implemented by the executive. The executive is to see that all the laws are properly obeyed and those who break the laws are punished. For example, Minimum Wages Act has no importance unless the government executive also supervises and checks that workers get their wages in accordance with the provisions of the act and punishes those who violate the law. फिर है इसका पांचवा क्वेश्चन, हाउ कैन लॉज एंश्योर दैट मार्केट्स वर्क इन अ मैनर दैट इज फेयर? गिव 2 एग्जांपल्स टू सपोर्ट योर आंसर. इसका जब जवाब है, लॉ इज ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर टू कंट्रोल द मार्केट. एवरीथिंग कैन नॉट बी लेफ्ट फ्री टू डिसाइड द मार्केट सिचुएशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, it is very essential that minimum wages act of workers must be enacted. Without this act, private companies, traders, business community and factory owners would normally pay very less to the workers to make maximum profit. Due to minimum wage act, the employer cannot pay less than the minimum wages. There are also laws that protect the interests of consumers and producers in the market. These laws ensure the proper relations between workers, producers, and consumers, and none is in a position to exploit the other. In this way, laws ensure that markets work in a manner that is fair. बच्चों, ये थे हमारे आज चंद सवालात. इंशाल्लाह कल मैं इसके बाकी और सवालात लेकर आपके सामने हाजिर हो जाऊंगा. तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज.